If you are working inside a small kitchen every single day, you already know the exact frustration I am talking about. There is never enough counter space to chop your vegetables. The cabinets feel completely packed to the rim, and even a single dirty dish makes the whole room look incredibly messy. It is easy to look at massive, luxury kitchens online and feel like your space is just hopeless. But here is the good news. You do not need a massive bank account, and you definitely do not need to tear down your walls to create a space that feels open, expensive, and highly functional. Today, we are breaking down 7 clever, budget-friendly makeover ideas that will completely transform your tiny kitchen without breaking the bank. Before we jump into the first tip, I want you to change how you look at your kitchen. A small kitchen actually forces you to be more organized, and with the right design choices, it can feel incredibly cozy and high-end. We are going to cover everything from visual illusions, using paint to smart storage hacks that utilize forgotten spaces. Every single idea we discuss today is renter-friendly, easy to do over a single weekend, and highly affordable. Make sure to watch until the very end, because the last tip costs absolutely nothing, but completely changes the entire vibe of the room. Let us start with the absolute easiest visual trick in the book, and that is changing your color palette. Dark colors absorb light, which makes a small room feel like a tiny, cramped box. If your kitchen currently has dark brown cabinets or dated, shadowy walls, that is the first thing we need to fix. Instead, you want to opt for soft whites, light creams, warm beige, or even a very pale gray on your walls and your cabinet doors. These lighter shades naturally reflect both natural sunlight and artificial light around the room. This simple reflection instantly tricks the human eye into thinking the walls are further apart than they actually are. It gives the illusion of a massive, airy kitchen for just the simple price of a single can of paint. Our second idea is to ditch the traditional, heavy upper cabinets. Traditional wooden cabinets that hang at eye level take up a massive amount of physical and visual space. They cast shadows downward and make the upper half of your kitchen feel incredibly crowded. Try removing just 1 or 2 of those bulky cabinet doors, or take the cabinet box down completely and replace it with open wooden shelves. This instantly opens up the sightlines of the room, making the walls feel lighter and further back. You can use these open shelves to display your prettiest matching mugs, white plates, or glass jars filled with dry ingredients like pasta and rice. It creates a beautiful, modern aesthetic that feels just like a cozy, high-end neighborhood cafe. Now let us talk about our third idea, which is looking up and fully utilizing your empty vertical space. In a small kitchen, floor space and counter space are your most valuable assets, so you cannot afford to waste them. Look at your empty walls, the sides of your refrigerator, or even the space right above your stove. These are golden areas for hidden storage. You can install a simple, heavy-duty magnetic strip directly onto the wall to hold all of your chef knives safely. This immediately frees up the bulky knife block that is currently eating up your precious countertop space. In addition to magnetic strips, consider mounting a sleek metal pegboard or a simple steel rail with hanging hooks on an empty wall. You can use this setup to hang your most frequently used pots, pans, measuring cups, and wooden spoons. Not only does this keep your cabinets from becoming a cluttered mess, but it also adds a beautiful, functional design element to your kitchen. Having your tools hanging right where you can see. That makes cooking so much faster because everything is within arm's reach. Plus, it frees up an entire cabinet below your counter for bigger appliances. Moving on to idea number 4. We are focusing on the small details that make a massive impact, specifically your cabinet hardware. Old, scratched, plastic, or dated handles can make even the cleanest kitchen look incredibly cheap and worn out. Upgrading your cabinet hardware is one of the cheapest and fastest tricks in the interior design world to make a space look expensive. Swap out your old handles and knobs for modern matte black, brushed brass, or sleek polished silver hardware. You can easily find these in bulk packs online for a very low price. All you need is a simple screwdriver, and in less than an hour, your entire cabinet system will look brand new and custom-made. Our fifth idea is all about fixing your lighting layout, because good lighting completely changes how space is perceived. If your kitchen only relies on one basic, yellow ceiling fixture, your room will inevitably feel dark, gloomy, and small. Shadows will gather under your cabinets, making the workspace feel uninviting. To fix this on a budget, you do not need an electrician. You can buy affordable, battery-powered or plug-in peel-and stick LED light strips online. Stick these light strips directly underneath your upper cabinets to illuminate your countertops. This creates beautiful task lighting for chopping food and eliminates those dark corners. To take your lighting a step further, you can also place these wireless LED strips along the bottom kick plates of your lower cabinets, right near the floor. This creates a stunning under-cabinet glow that makes your kitchen look incredibly high-end and luxurious at night. Layering your lighting like this creates depth and warmth, which distracts from the actual small footprint of the room. It turns a boring, functional kitchen into a beautiful, glowing space that you actually want to spend time hanging out in after a long day. Idea number 6 targets the wall space between your countertop and your upper cabinets. Which is your backsplash? A dated, stained, or boring wall in this area immediately drags down the look of the entire kitchen. However, installing real ceramic tile is expensive, requires specialized tools, and creates a massive, dusty mess. The budget solution here is to use high-quality peel-and-stick tiles. Modern peel-and-stick tiles are made with thick, 3D molded vinyl that looks and feels exactly like real glass or ceramic. They come in gorgeous, trendy designs like classic white subway tile, elegant Moroccan patterns, or modern herringbone styles. The best part about these faux tiles is that they are incredibly easy to install on your own. You just measure your wall, cut the sheets with a pair of household scissors, peel off the backing, and press them firmly right over your existing plain wall or old tile. They are completely waterproof, heat-resistant, and super easy to wipe clean from cooking grease. It gives you the look of a professional $1,000 tile job for just a tiny fraction of the cost. And it can be easily removed later if you are renting. Our seventh and final idea costs absolutely $0, but it is easily the most powerful step in the entire process. And that is a ruthless, deep countertop declutter. Visual clutter is the #1 enemy of a small room. When your counters are covered in spice bottles, papers, small appliances you rarely use, and random kitchen tools, it makes the entire room feel like it is closing in on you. Take a look at your counters right now and remove every single object, except for the things you use every single day, like your coffee maker or your main cutting board. Pack away the toaster, the blender, and the giant spice racks inside your lower cabinets or pantry. If you do not use an item daily, it does not deserve to live on your limited counter space. A clean, completely empty countertop instantly allows the eye to travel smoothly across the room without getting stuck on messy items. This simple lack of visual noise instantly makes any small kitchen feel twice as large, significantly cleaner, and much more premium. It is a total transformation that only takes an hour of your time and costs nothing. At the end of the day, you must remember that your kitchen does not need to be massive to be highly functional, organized, and beautiful. It just requires a little bit of smart planning, creativity, and strategic styling choices. By implementing even just 2 or 3 of these budget-friendly ideas, you can completely change how you feel when you walk into your kitchen every morning. Which of these 7 budget ideas are you going to try out first in your own home? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you found these tips helpful and inspiring, Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly home decor and makeover videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.